Hello guys, my name is Raza Masood. Today we will discuss what is basically a role of a program manager. Friends, I am sure that if you are studying PMP or project management body of knowledge, you definitely knows about a program manager. So in this tutorial, we will see in detail what is basically a role of a program manager, and first we will see who is basically a program manager. Program manager is basically responsible of managing several related projects, often with the intentions of improving an organization's performance. So friends, just remember that program manager is basically, he's not a project manager. He is basically a program manager who is basically managing several interrelated projects. Interrelated projects means that we are doing, for example, 5 projects, and the purpose of the 5 project is same, the objective and goal is same, and they are basically resources can be shared, budget can be shared. So the projects are basically interrelated. So just remember friends, the program manager is a person who is basically interrelated projects having the same objective and goal. So this person is called program manager. The responsibilities of a program managers are, like for example, he is basically overseeing all activities associated with the programs, uh, decision making if there is any decision making required, actively communicating with the project managers, and also he is identifying the objectives and understanding giving to other stakeholders. He is basically leading the planning program, monitoring daily program activities, reporting, analytics, and also he is basically identify the projects necessary to achieve the program's objective. If there is any other further project needs to be started to achieve the objective of goal, so he can initiate, he can discuss, he can initiate. Coordinating interdependent projects associated with programs. Also he is resolving any problems, delays, managing budget, cost, timeline, quality related to program, identify and assign program team members, managing the program risk if there is any, documenting the program, identifying and managing program adherence to standards and governance, ensuring alignment with business goals and objectives. Friends, just remember that basically program manager who is basically overseeing the overall objectives and goal of company, why we are doing these projects. He is basically person who is above the project managers. Project manager is managing a single project, but the program manager is above to the project managers, and he is basically giving direction to project managers, coordinating with the stakeholders. He is also monitoring the program. He is also monitoring, planning the program, and if there is any shortage of resource, shortage of any problem related to budget, cost, resource, timeline, etc., related to program, not with the project. Remember, not with the project, not with the program, overall program. So he is basically person who is basically managing these activities. Now we will see that what are the activities, skills required for a program manager. He should be good in communication, written or verbal, ability to command people, managing people management skills should be very good. Conflict resolution, if there is any conflict resolution, he should have a good skills. Good knowledge of project management. Be comfortable in uncertain environment, means that if there is any pressure situation, he should be calm and take the responsibility and take the decisions accordingly. Benefit focus, he should be focused on the company benefits, like company goals. He should be focused on the company goals. A constant risk management mindset means that the person who is basically always considering, identifying the risk and making the response planning according to the risk. He is always considering the risk. He has a mindset of risk management. Also he should have a good skills of leadership, like he should have a vision that why we are doing these projects, why we are doing these programs, and what are the objective, why we what we will achieve after doing these projects, after doing these programs. So he should have a understanding, he should have a vision, and people would automatically start following him if he has a good and great vision about the objective. So guys, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Please subscribe to my channel.